VMT is an ISO 9001 certificated manufacturer with 90 staffs, founded in 2010 in Shenzhen, China. We have 11 years experience for customized metal products by both standard and customized design, working with a wide range of materials including steel, aluminum, stainless steel, copper, bronze, brass, and aircraft alloys. To offer high quality and competitive price, VMT combined diverse processes for various designs, such as CNC machining, turning, milling, stamping, forged, extrusion, castings, bending, welding. Our commitment is to produce quality product on time with friendly customer service to increase our business with your company. Over the past 11 years, our business has grown to now cover 62 countries worldwide and include different product fields such as medical, automotive plumbing and performance parts, agriculture, electronics, Electron, hardware, audio and video, control systems, oil and gas industrial, energy, lighting, pressure and filtration systems, heating and cooling systems. Our machines include high-speed turning CNC lathes, automatic lathes, CNC milling machines, drill machine, tapping machine, grinding machines, welding machine, tube bending machine. To achieve zero defect, we utilize automatic inspection machines to check dimensional accuracy, conformance, and surface finish. Our product library currently totals 7,038 non-standard parts and 19,981 models. Our professional team provides one-stop supporting services from design, production, finish treatment, and packing. We welcome your visit and look forward to your manufacturing opportunities.